Slide it off. Okay. There you go. Curtain bangs. So now we're going to do the CreaClip curtain bangs. Okay. CreaClip. Flip it in place. Comb it down. I always try to comb it one time so that's all perfectly aligned. Okay. And then you're just going to slide it down a little bit and then switch hands and twist. This is how you do the curtain bangs. Okay, so make sure the bubble's in the middle, and we're just going to slide it down because we're just trimming. You don't want to cut too much off. Okay, and then we're going to cut in an angle because we want it to be soft. Yep. There you go. Slide it off. Okay. There you go. Curtain bangs. So the curtain bangs is like you can part it in the middle and then it gets longer on the sides. See how that's long? Because we twisted it, it just goes like this. Okay, you can put it like this or you can make it fall in the middle like that and then have it long on the sides like that. There you go. Done.
Awesome.